Now, tonight's Insider in Depth. Here's Victoria Recano in Hollywood.
He is the former CIA Master of Disguise who has become a miracle worker for kids in need. And tonight he faces another emotional challenge. Can this special effects genius give a young girl born without an ear a new lease on life?
I had really bad scars from it. It was painful physically and emotionally.
Pretty and smart, 17-year-old Carissa Fehrle is the all-American girl, except for one thing. She was born without an ear.
It was heartbreaking for her. I felt bad for her because, it kind of made her depressed and, just self-esteem.
After 4 painful plastic surgeries failed to reconstruct it, Carissa is down to her last hope.
Would you sit up straight for me here? Okay, great. Now we're just going to take a little impression.
I've been so discouraged. Just something told me I have nothing to lose.
Bob Barron's not a doctor, but he performs miracles all the time.
Just sit real still. I'll have the impression, then I can start sculpting the ear to match your anatomy.
Bob's a former CIA Master of Disguise, and his talent for sculpting replicas of body parts is unmatched. You can learn more about him on his website, www.prosthesis.com.
She will walk out of here a very happy girl tomorrow. Silicone ear out of the mold.
24 hours later, an exact replica of her real ear is ready. A few finishing touches, then Carissa returns for her big day.
Today's the day. We're going to do some tinning, and you're going to look in the mirror, and you're going to have your ear.
Bob uses an adhesive on the inside, and then, in front of her family, the moment of truth.
Here we go, Mom. Huh? Watch this. Get all the hair out of there, huh? And just put it right. It'll only go in one place, and then press down. Just press like that.
The result is nothing short of remarkable. Carissa's sister cries. Her mom can't even talk.
It looks really good.
Now Carissa gets to see herself in the mirror for the first time. 17 years of disfigurement erased overnight.
Wow. That is crazy. You're very talented. Very talented.
This is the fun part.
Gosh, thank you so much. You changed so many lives. You have no...
And then they say, I don't know how to repay you. Well, they just did.
Bob was recruited by Hollywood to do special effects for movies, but he turned them down in order to help children who need his skills even more.